Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be discussing how you can become a screenshot pro. Let's begin. Now, if you're on a Windows computer, click the following buttons. I'm going to press on the Windows and W button at the same time, and it will bring up the snip function, which you will see pop up in your screen at any moment. You choose the option of full screen and it should bring up this dialog box. From there, you can drag, drop, and resize the area that you want to be screenshot. After which you can click the check box in the top right hand corner of that window to save your work. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me under this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. Bye.